Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Suman Kamoteng Kahoy. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 1 kilogram of fresh cassava. For the liquid, prepare 2 cups of full-fat coconut milk and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You will also need softened banana leaves for wrapping, which you can typically find at your local Asian market or specialty store. Having these prepared ensures a smooth cooking process ahead. Begin by thoroughly washing your cassava roots to remove any dirt. Using a sturdy peeler or knife, carefully remove the tough outer skin and discard it. Next, grate the peeled cassava finely into a large bowl, ensuring a consistent texture. Once grated, place the cassava in a clean cheesecloth or sturdy kitchen towel and firmly squeeze out as much starchy liquid as possible. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect consistency. Now, in a large mixing bowl, combine your squeezed, grated cassava with the 2 cups of rich coconut milk. Add the 1/2 cup of brown sugar to this mixture. Use a sturdy spoon or your clean hands to thoroughly mix everything together until the sugar is completely dissolved and evenly incorporated. The batter should be thick and slightly sticky, yet still manageable for shaping, ensuring a delightful texture when cooked. To prepare your banana leaves, briefly pass them over a low flame or dip them in hot water. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. Lay a softened leaf on a clean surface. Scoop approximately 2 rounded tablespoons of the cassava mixture onto the center of the leaf. Carefully fold the leaf sides inwards, then roll it tightly to form a cylindrical shape. Arrange the wrapped suman in a steamer basket and steam them over boiling water for about 45 minutes until firm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.